RealTaxTools tax software review usage experience. RealTaxTools, developed by Real Business Solution, offer a suite of tax software products, with W2Mate being one of its notable offerings. W2Mate is designed to assist accountants and businesses in preparing, importing, filing, and printing W2 and 10099 norms. And here are the key features about the W2Mate, which is unlimited entries support and unlimited numbers of employees and the recipient, making it scalable for business of various size, and also offers a batch tools for printing norm forms, deleting entries, and updating information, enhancing efficiency, and also facilitate easy data import and export, integrating seamlessly with other accounting systems, and also provide additional models for enhanced functionalities such as network installation, electronics, and filing and PDF creation. And here is the overall conclusion about this platform. RealTaxTools W2Mate is a practical choice for business seeking a cost-effective solution for W2 and 1099 forms processing. Its scalability and user-friendly designs are commendable, but potential users should consider the need for additional models based on their specific requirement.